Asset management is essential for equipment storage. We emphasize the need for adequately defined attributes and structured data. How do you ensure assets are properly prepared for storage? How do you ensure the storage is managed properly? Why is capturing the right data when operating in storage important? Customers should look at what data is important in operating and managing the storage and other assets. And it comes down to being specific about those important elements and understanding the operational needs from the client's perspective. We're keen to explore areas where database support can enhance your current practices. Please contact us to find out more.